Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to treat all these as numbers, except everything's letters. Okay, so a lot of people would, my roommate in college would just quit at this point. He didn't like letters. Okay, so treat everything as a number. That's what I got to solve for is R. Okay, and it'll be different for what it tells you to. But if I just got to get rid of R, think about what is happening to the R. How is the N affecting R? I'm doing what?
Multiply.
Multiply. So what's the opposite of multiply?
Divide.
So I'm going to divide by N. Okay. How do I get rid of the T?
Divide.
There you go. There's your answer. R is equal to PV over NT. And I just had to divide them to get rid of them. N and T crossed off. Okay. Enough? Now here, since there's only one F, I wouldn't distribute this. You could, okay, but then you're going to get a fraction there, and I guess it won't really make that much difference. Since I'm multiplying all this by 5/9, and I'm trying to solve for F.
Multiply by the reciprocal.
Multiply by what?
The reciprocal.
Very good. You're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, so the reciprocal is 9 over 5. I'm going to multiply both sides by 9 over 5. The 9's cross off and the 5's cross off. So now I'm left with 9/5 C is equal to F minus 32. Still solving for F.
Add 32.
Yeah, all I do is add 32. So then I have 9/5 C plus 32 equals F. And all you're trying to do is get that letter by itself. When it says solve for whatever, you're just trying to get that by itself. Okay, this one should be very much like the first one. If I'm solving for R, what do I do with the 2 and the pi?
Divide it.
Divide it. Since I'm multiplying, I divide it. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2 pi. And I have R by itself. So R is equal to C over 2 pi. All right, last one of this. 2.1b, I believe, only has 5 questions in it. These are 4 of them. Okay. What am I solving for here?
L.
L. I want you to make arrows to all the L's. Figure out where they're all at. See how we have multiple of them? Okay, so we haven't had one like that yet. So what you want to do is when you have multiple L's or multiple things you're solving for is get everything else that doesn't have anything to do with that, and that's this. That needs to get to the other side. But these two can stay on this side. Okay, so how can I, if it's plus 2WH, how do I get that to the other side?
Subtract.
Subtract. So I'm going to go A minus 2WH. And that's equal to 2LW plus 2HL. Okay. What am I trying to solve for?
L.
L. Still right here and right here. Remember how we distributed on this? Back there we distributed 2. Can I go backwards? Can I pull something out? Yeah. Okay, so what do I want to pull out of both of these?
2.
What else?
L.
L.
L. I would pull L out because that's what you're trying to solve for. So once you pull L out, now it's by itself again. Okay, so I'm going to pull L out of both of these. L will come out, and this L will come out. Only because that's what I'm trying to solve for. So A minus 2WH is equal to L times 2W plus 2H. And see how we just removed it out. So now if I'm multiplying by all this, how can I get this to the other side?
Divide it.
Divide it. Divide this by 2W. And so my answer A minus 2WH over 2W plus 2H is equal to